Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find recycle bin on Android. First thing you do is open up your settings. So you go to settings, tap on it, then the search bar here, so tap on the search icon, then type recycle bin, and to give you all the places that are connected with recycle bin. So you have gallery settings, recycle bin, tap on it to see if it's the one you're looking for. This is recycle bin settings. You also have it under contact settings, recycle bin over here. You also have it under message settings, recycle bin. And we also have it under my file settings. You can see recycle bin here. And lastly, under voice recorder settings, you have recycle bin. So that is how to find recycle bin on Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.